Using Xfinity Mobile Wi-Fi is a convenient way to stay connected on the go. To get started, first ensure you have an Xfinity Mobile account and a compatible device. Download the Xfinity Wi-Fi app from the App Store to find and connect to available hotspots. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Xfinity Mobile username and password. The app will display a map of nearby Wi-Fi hotspots, including Xfinity Wi-Fi locations. Choose a hotspot from the list and select Connect to join the network. If you are connecting to an Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspot for the first time, you may be prompted to accept the terms of service and create a username and password. After connecting, you can use the internet as you normally would, browsing websites, checking email, and streaming content. To ensure a secure connection, always verify the name of the Wi-Fi network before joining, and avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like online banking. When using Xfinity Mobile Wi-Fi, you can also use the app to find locations and check the strength of the signal. Best practices for using Xfinity Mobile Wi-Fi include keeping your device and app up to date, using a VPN for extra security, and being mindful of data usage to avoid going over your monthly limit. By following these steps and tips, you can easily and securely use Xfinity Mobile Wi-Fi to stay connected wherever you go.